Find the missing angle. So right here, see a right triangle with two sides given and a missing angle. So I know I can use the inverse trig functions for this. So the first thing I do is I write down the functions of sine, some old hippie, caught another hippie, tripping over apples. So the first thing I do to see what trig function I'm going to use, draw an arrow from the right angle. I see I have a hypotenuse, so I know we're not going to use tangent. So from here, we're either using sine or cosine. I'm going to draw an arrow across from the question mark. That means we don't have an opposite. We have an adjacent. And remember, adjacent means it makes up the angle in this situation. It's right next to the angle. So we're using cosine. So we have the cosine of the unknown angle is equal to 20 over 42. You could simplify it, but since we're using a calculator, there's really no need. Here I need to do the inverse cosine function, which would be cosine of -1 times cosine of the unknown angle is equal to cosine of arc cosine 20 over 42. These two cancel, therefore we're left with just a question mark. We isolated the variable. We have the cosine, arc cosine of 20 over 42. From here, all you have to do on your calculator, second cosine 20 divided by 42, you get 61. 5 will round to the nearest degree. The 5 will round it up since it's in the realm of rounding, so we get 62 degrees.